Can you imagine a future where intelligent digital agents handle your tasks, make decisions, and transform industries, all faster and smarter than ever before? The journey of AI agents is a testament to how far technology has come in understanding and interacting with humans. From humble beginnings as basic text-based programs offering simple Q&A responses, they've transformed into sophisticated companions woven into our daily lives. Early breakthroughs, like the 1916 voice-activated toy Radio Rex and Bell Labs' 1952 Audrey, laid the groundwork for modern voice recognition, while innovations like Eliza in the 1960s showed how easily humans could connect emotionally with machines. Fast forward to the 2010s, and AI assistants like Siri and Alexa redefined how we engage with technology, offering context-aware, proactive, and personalized interactions. Today's AI agents don't just respond. They anticipate, adapt, and learn, making them indispensable tools in both personal and professional settings. The evolution from simple digital tools to intuitive human-like partners truly highlights the potential of AI in shaping the future. Artificial intelligence agents, often referred to as intelligent agents, represent a pivotal advancement in the realm of technology and automation. These agents are autonomous entities that perceive their environment, make decisions, and act upon them to achieve specific goals. In the context of AI, an agent is typically a software program that utilizes AI techniques like machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision to perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. These AI agents are designed to operate independently, gathering information from their surroundings through sensors, processing that data to make informed decisions, and then executing actions based on those decisions. They can adapt to changing environments, learn from experience, and optimize their behavior over time to improve performance. In essence, AI agents are the digital workforce of the future, capable of handling complex tasks with speed and accuracy. From autonomous vehicles to virtual assistants, these intelligent agents are revolutionizing industries and reshaping the way we interact with technology. Their ability to analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and respond intelligently makes them invaluable assets in various fields, from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and customer service. In conclusion, AI agents represent a new paradigm in computing, blending advanced algorithms with real-time decision-making capabilities to create intelligent systems that enhance efficiency, productivity, and innovation across diverse domains. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, AI agents are not just tools of innovation. They are the driving force reshaping industries, enhancing productivity, and unlocking limitless possibilities for a smarter, more efficient future.